Hi, I'm Dave Ward from the Ward Law Firm, and I help protect the business owner facing divorce. We've been talking about things that you can do to prepare for divorce in this series of videos, and the seventh thing that you can do is gather financial documents and copy them. This can be critically important in preparing for a divorce. And the reason will make a lot of sense intuitively, and that is a divorce is a lawsuit like any other, and when a lawsuit is concerned, evidence rules. You have to be able to prove things. It's not enough to simply know them. And there few things can prove the existence of assets, debts, all of those kinds of things, like a bank statement or a credit card statement or any other sort of financial documentation. A lot of us think about that when it comes to our business. We save those things, but a lot of us don't necessarily think about that for our own personal stuff. And it's important for both of them. And I just want to tell you a quick story about why this can be so important. I had a client, and we're going to call her Jennifer. Jennifer and her husband started a business. Both of them worked in the business and built it up to a business that was generating substantial income. Well, they had split up and decided to file for divorce, and during the early stages of the divorce process, Jennifer's husband came to her and said, I need certain documents related to the business, having to do with the finances, the income, invoicing, all of those types of things. And Jennifer, not wanting to disrupt the business, handed those documents over. Jennifer's mistake was she didn't copy them. She didn't keep a copy of those for herself. And as a result, there were significant income during the course of the divorce that we weren't able to eventually prove because her husband at that point simply stated, and a lot of people will do this, that those statements didn't exist, that those invoices weren't there. And we had no way of countering that because we didn't have copies of those documents for ourselves before Jennifer turned those over. So this can be a critical thing in preparing for a divorce. So if you're facing a divorce, make sure that you take the time to copy any financial documents that you have. If you're not able to necessarily copy things or those things aren't available, at least write down things like account numbers, banks, other institutions, things like that. Again, this is a situation where evidence is king, and having those documents is an irreplaceable asset when you're trying to move through the divorce process and trying to get the best outcome possible for you. I'm David Ward from the Ward Law Firm, and I help protect the business owner who's facing divorce.